Hello students, welcome to Vamshi's Mathematics Academy. Today I am going to solve a problem from real numbers exercise 1.1. Question number 2. Let's see the question. Use division algorithm to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. Before solving the problem, first you should know the what is the Euclid's division algorithm formula. Once recollect the Euclid's division algorithm formula, that is a is equal to bq plus r. The condition is 0 less than r less than equal to b. Okay, yeah, let's start the solution. Okay students, first write let small a be any positive integer. Let small a be any positive integer. Then b is equal to, what is the b value? 6. What is the b value? 6. By Euclid's division algorithm, what is the formula? A is equal to bq plus r, and what is the condition? 0 less than r equal to r less than b. Now by using Euclid's division algorithm, we have to prove that the given integers are positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Simple. Now compare Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid's division algorithm formula is a is equal to bq plus r. Now take our question. Anyone take question example 6q plus 1. No, 6q plus 1. It is the form of bq plus r. Now compare what is the b value? 6. Now therefore that's why I have taken here b value is equal to 6. Now 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Now what is the condition? We get 0 less than or equal to r less than b. In place of b, substitute the value. What is the b value? 6. Okay, full stop. Therefore the possible remainders are, r is equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Why? Because here condition is 0 less than or equal to r less than 6. Less than 6 values take 0 to less than 6 is 5. Okay na? These values are remainder values. Okay, now this is equation number, take equation number 1. Okay, now therefore here I got a possible remainder values. Now these remainder values substitute in equation number 1. From equation number 1 we get, from equation 1 we get, no, let's see the next step. If first value is equal to, first remainder value is 0, if r equal to 0, then A is equal to, what is the B value? 6. Q write as it is, coefficient value plus R. What is the first R value? First remainder value is 0. In place of R substitute 0. 6Q plus 0. Therefore 6Q plus 0 is nothing but a 6Q. This is equation number 1, or don't take equations, write like that only. Next, if R is equal to 1, now second remainder value is equal to 1, then A is equal to 6. What is the B value? 6. Q write as it is plus R value here 1. Next, if R is equal to 2, then A is equal to 6Q plus 2. If R is equal to 3, then A is equal to 6Q plus 3. Next, if R is equal to 4, then A is equal to 6Q plus 4. Next, if R is equal to 5, then A is equal to 6Q plus 5. Okay, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values, 6 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 values are remainder values. I have substituted in our equation number 1, that is Euclid's division formula, that is A is equal to BQ plus R. Okay, now here I got 6 equations. Now by seeing these equations, therefore A values are 6Q, 6Q plus 1, 6Q plus 2, 6Q plus 3, 6Q plus 4, 6Q plus 5. Therefore, since A is positive integers, okay, positive integers. No, therefore here we have to prove that only. What is the question? Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6Q plus 1 or 6Q plus 3 or 6Q plus 5. Here total here 6 A values are I got. These values are positive integers. In that one we have to prove that only positive integers. No, therefore what are the odd integers? In first class I explained all basic definitions. If you have any doubts, you can watch that video, you will get a clarity. Okay. What are odd integers? A number which is not a multiple of 2 or not divisible by 2 is known as odd integers. Here odd integers are 6Q plus 1, 6Q plus 3, 6Q plus 4. Therefore A is equal to 6Q plus 1 or 6Q plus 3 or 6Q plus 5 are positive integers. Hence proof. Okay, this is the problem, students. Yeah, overall conclusion I am giving here. Your question is, use division algorithm to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6Q plus 1 or 6Q plus 3 or 6Q plus 5 where Q is some integer. By using Euclid's lemma, we have to prove that the given integers are odd integers. Simple. Okay. Next problem, exercise 1.1, question number 3. Students, here question number 2 is, use division algorithm to show that any square of positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1. This is question number 3. Now step 1 is common. Let a be any positive integer, then b is equal to 3. By Euclid's division algorithm, a is equal to pq plus r. This is the formula. Condition is 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Okay. Now what is the b value? You can observe clearly by seeing question. Here b value is 3. Now 0 less than or equal to r less than 3. Therefore the possible remainders are r is equal to 0, 1, 2. Okay, if you substitute r value 0 in place of equation number 1, you will get a is equal to 6, means b value is 3 here, right? In place of b substitute 3q, r value is 0, 0 means 3q. If you substitute r value is equal to 1, a is equal to 3q plus 1. And if you substitute r value 2 in equation number 1, you will get answer a is equal to 3q plus 2. Case 1, if a is equal to 3q, here in question is clearly mentioned, we have to prove that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1. No, square, here case 1 is if a is equal to 3q. Now apply, right, apply squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. Therefore LHS a square is equal to 3q whole square. Okay, now a square is equal to 3q square. 3 2 times multiplication, 3 3 is 9 q square. Now split 9 3 3 is 9 q square. Now take 3 is common. Your left number is 1 3 q square. Therefore if take p is equal to 3q square. Why? Because in our question we have to prove that p. Now therefore assume let us let p is equal to 3q square. Now equation 1 becomes a square is equal to 3 into in place of 3q square substitute p. This is equation number 1. Now similarly case 2, if a is equal to 3q plus 2, again squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides, a square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. Now a square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square. It is in the form of clearly a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here in this question, in this case, a value is equal to 3q and b value is equal to 2. Now substitute a comma b values in equation number means this a square and 3q plus 2 condition. Okay, now a square is equal to a square is nothing but a value is 3q whole square plus 2ab. A value is 3q, b value is 2 plus b square, b value is 2 whole square. Now split 3q square. A square is equal to 3q square. 3 2 times multiplication, 3 3 is 9 q square plus 2 3 is 6 6 2 is 12q plus 2 square 2 is 4. Now a square is equal to 9q square plus 12q. This 4 try to split 3 plus 1. No. Now this 9 split 3 3 is 9. This 12 split 3 4 is 12. This 3 split 3 1 is 3. Now take 3 as common. Now take 3 as common. Now in this one take 3 common. Here already I have taken 3 common. One more 3 is left. This is q square, right, as it is. Plus second part 12q. Already I have taken 3 is common. Here left number is 4 and coefficient is here q. Plus here take already I have taken 3 common. Here left number is only 1 plus last one, right, as it is. Since here take p is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. Okay, now a square is equal to 3 in place of 3q square plus 4k plus 1. Substitute p. Last plus 1, right, as it is. This is equation number 2, students. Okay, clear? Now same Here case 2 also completed, that is 3q plus sorry, this is case 2, 3q plus 2 completed. Next 3q plus 1, this is case 3, 3q plus 1. Now same, in place of 2 substitute here 1, same formula here, b value is equal to 1, b value 1, this is 1. Okay, from here onwards I am erasing. Okay, now a square is equal to 3q square, 3 2 times multiplication 9q square plus 2ab, 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6q plus 1 square is nothing but 1. Take in this one 3 3s are 9, split this is 3 2s are 6. Now take here also 3 common, your left number is 3q square, here already have taken 3 common, your left number is 2, coefficient is q. Okay, next plus 1 write as it is. Now is, since here also p is equal to, take 3q square plus 2q is p. Okay, now in place of 3q square plus 2q substitute p plus 1. Okay student, this is equation number 3. Okay, now equation number 1 and equation number 2 and equation number 3. 3 equations I got values. One is a is equal to, a square is equal to 1 is 3p. Second one, a square is equal to 3p plus 2. Third equation is a square is equal to 3p plus 1. The conclusion is yes, conclusion is therefore the square of any positive integers is of the form 3p or 3p plus 1 or 3p plus 2 from equation 1 and 2 3, from equation 1 2 3. Therefore hence true. These questions are very important questions students. Okay, this type of questions in final exam you will get 4 marks questions. Okay, don't neglect the questions. Okay, try to practice 2-3 times, you will get answers. Okay, this is square problem students. Now next problem is cube problem. Let's see the question number 3, that is cube problem, means that is question number 4. Yeah. Hello friends, welcome to Vamshi's Mathematics Academy. Today we are going to solve a problem from real numbers exercise 1.1, question number 4. Okay, let's see the question. The question number 4 is use division algorithm to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 8. Okay, before starting the problem, once we should revise the Euclid's algorithm formula, that is a is equal to b cube plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Okay, now solution is, assume let small a be any positive integer. This is step 1. Then it is of the form 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2 for some integer q. This is one statement is there students. Any question you should take the question, you should take this condition, right? Now a is equal to 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. By using this condition, this statement, I am proving the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 8. Now here 3 there. One is a is equal to 3q or 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. Now case 1, if a is equal to 3q students, now in question clearly mentioned that what we have to do, what we have to prove. Simple. Here we have to prove that the cube of any positive integer. In case 1, if a is equal to 3q, apply cubing on both the sides. Cubing on both the sides. No, a cube is equal to 3q whole cube students. Now simple. Split a cube is equal to LHS, same as it is RHS. 3 cube is nothing but 3 times multiplication students, that is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 students. No, 27 cube power 3. Now a cube is equal to this 27 split 9 3s are 27 students, q power 3, right, as it is. Now a cube is equal to 9 since m is equal to 3q whole power 3. In place of 3q power 3, substitute m. No, this is a cube is equal to 9m. This is equation number 1 students. Now you can observe clearly in question, the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 8. Yeah, in case 1 I proved 9m students. Similarly we have to prove that case 2 and case 3. Okay, let's see the case 2. Now case 2 is this is case 2 students. If a is equal to 3q plus 1. Now cubic on both the sides. I am writing shortcut students. Right. Now play a cube is equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. Now clearly observe clearly it is in the form of a plus b whole cube students, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. This is a plus b whole cube formula students. Now our condition is it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. Now take here a is equal to 3q students and b is equal to 1 students. Now in place of ab, substitute the values 3q and 1. Now here a cube is equal to, now 3q plus 1 whole cube. Now a value is 3q, b value is 1. First formula is a cube. What is a value? 3q whole cube plus 3 rate as it is a square. A square value is 3q whole square. B, what is the b value students? 1 plus 3 rate again as it is, and a value is 3q and b square, b value is 1 whole square plus b cube students, b value is 1 whole cube. Now split a cube is equal to LHS is same, a cube, no, LHS 3 cube. 3 cube is nothing but 3 times multiplication students, that is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 q power 3 plus here first 3 square. 3 square means 3 2 times multiplication students, that is 3 3s are 9. Here one more 3 is there, 9 3s are 27 students, 27 q power 2 plus here 3 3s are 9, 1 square means 1 students, 3 is are 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 cube plus 1 cube is nothing but 1 3 times multiplication students, that is 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1. Now it is cubic polynomial. You can observe cubic polynomial. This is 27 q power 3 plus 27 q square plus 9 q plus 1. Now this is in the form of cubic polynomial students. Now take in this one. First try to split. This is 9 3s are 27 students. This also 9 3s are 27. Now this one is 9 1s are 9. Now you can observe clearly in this one. In this case here 9 is common students. Take 9 common. Here left number is 3 q power 3 plus, already I have taken 9 common students, the left number is 3, q square it as it is. Next plus, here 9 already I have taken common, left number is 1 in 1 q, means 1 into q is nothing but q students, plus 1. Now here since m is equal to, here I am taking m is equal to 3 q power 3 and 3 q square plus q. Now a power 3 is equal to 9, 3 q power 3 plus 3 q square plus q. In place of this term, substitute value is m and place 1. Okay, this one is equation number 2 students. Now equation number 2 and case 2 also I proved students. Similarly we have to prove that equation number 3, that is case 3, a is equal to 3q plus 2. Okay, now let's see the equation number 3, that is case 3. Now if a is equal to 3q plus 2, same cubic on both the sides students, a cube is equal to, in place of 1 just change to same formula, b value is here, and just I am changing here, b value is 2, same it is in the form of a plus b whole cube students, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now a cube is equal to, substitute the values in equation, here only in place of a value same students, in place of b 1 I am changing 2 students, here 1 cube is 2 cube. Okay, a cube is equal to 3 cube means 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 students, 27 cube power 3 plus, here 3 square means 3 3 is 9 students, 9 3 is 27, 27 2 is 54 students, 54 q square. Next plus, here 2 square means 2 2 is 4 students, 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36. Q plus 2 cube is nothing but 2 3 times multiplication students, 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Okay, now a cube is equal to 27 q power 3 plus 54 q power 2 plus 36 q plus 8. Okay, now in this one take try to split, 9 3 is 27, 9 6 is 54, 9 4 is 36. Okay students, now a cube is equal to, take 9 common students here, 3 q power 3 plus, already have taken 9 common students here, left number is 6. Now 6 q square students, now plus, here already have taken 9 is common, here left number is 4, q plus 8. Okay, now e cube is equal to 9m plus 8. Okay students, here since m is equal to, assume m is equal to 3 q power 3 plus 6q square plus 4q students, in place of this term substitute m. Now here case 3, equation number 3 also I proved student, that is 9m plus 8. From equation 1 and 2 3, the given question is the form of cubic integer students. That final conclusion I am writing. Yeah, 3 cases I proved students. Now right here conclusion is, from equations 1 and 2 and 3, therefore the cube of any positive integer, the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 8 students. This is the conclusion students. This type of questions are very important questions. In final exam this type of questions we are expecting 4 marks questions. Don't neglect this type of problems. Okay, so after completing my class, class, please practice the problem, students, because this type of questions are very very important. Okay, and now exercise 1.1 completed, students. That's all for today's class, students. If you are watching first time this video, please subscribe my channel and like it, share to your friends, students. Thank you very much. Me Vamshi Kumar.